So we've talked about that you don't need expensive equipment to get your channel up and running, get some videos made. What do you need to edit? What do you need to upload that? Well, there are a lot of professional packages out there that you could use, but you could do everything for free. I use CapCut. I use it on my laptop where I prefer to edit videos, and I can use it on the mobile phone if I want to do some editing on there. It's a little bit more basic on the phone, but even in its free form, it is very, very powerful to create your thumbnails. A lot of mine are just literally a screenshot, then I add some text and I upload that as a thumbnail when I'm uploading the video. Studio, when you're uploading, will auto generate a thumbnail for you, but it's not going to be that good. So I would definitely suggest either snapshot a picture of yourself or a scene or whatever you want, then edit that and upload it. A very good way is to use AI. I will talk more about how I use AI another time, but AI, I have found, is really good for putting the snapshot up. You could tell it to remove parts of an image, you could tell it to change the background, you can get some text put on it, you can, all sorts of things AI itself can do. If you give it a starting position, you could even ask it just to generate you a scene. That's all free. You don't have to pay for any of these things. If you need a transcript that you want to, you can, when your video is uploaded, you can download that out of the studio. You could also go to websites. You get lots of sites where you can upload your video or an MP3. If CapCut, you can actually export just the audio, upload that file, and it will return you the text, the actual words you spoke. And they'll be pretty accurate. They might not be perfect, but it'll be good enough that you could do what I do. I put those into AI and I say, can you generate me a description from that? Then I tweak it. It's nice to put your own human, your character, your flavour on it. But that's, again, it's free. It saves a bit of time. My big favourite AI program is ChatGPT. I do use occasionally Perplexity. I do use Gemini a fair bit, particularly using Gemini for the image manipulation if I want to modify something for a thumbnail. But AI is changing all the time. I may switch as one becomes better than the other. They're leapfrogging each other. It's amazing how fast it's developing. The long and short of all this is you don't need to spend anything to edit your video, get it uploaded, put a thumbnail on it, and then publish. And then from then on, have a little look at your analytics, and hopefully people are watching, and even better, they're subscribing. So get that first video edited, and I'll see you in the next one.